This is Jake Alexander with the Carlson Real Estate Group, and giving you the essence of Austin. We'll be checking out 503 Blackberry today. And if you haven't seen our other videos on the essence of Austin, this is where we go to individual homes and check out key features that kind of exemplify what Austin is all about. Let's go check it out. Alright. And right into the kitchen and dining area. Room for your own fridge of your choice. A nice deep stainless steel sink. Other stainless steel appliances. And just a very clean setup. Nice windows and very open. Check out that limestone fireplace. If you're not from Texas, you might not understand why we have them here, but us Texans, we get kind of cold when it's about 65. So you might see us spark this up if you're from the South. So moving on from the kitchen into the living area space, you have a nice high, that's gotta be 20-foot ceiling. It seems like they've done a nice clean coat of paint all throughout. It's brand new coat of paint. The floors, those have been updated very nicely. It's a little bit more modern than you see around here. And then all the windows have been redone as well, as far as I can tell. So you've had your dinner, you watched your TV, you're ready to go to sleep. Let's go check out the master bedroom. I really like that the master's on the first floor. You don't have to walk upstairs whenever you're tired and want to go right to bed. It comes with a yours and a theirs closet set, so you can separate and have your own closet. Well, I was thinking, looking around up here, that this would be like a nice, either an office or probably a fitness room. You got a nice Jack and Jill bathroom right off of that, and then walking through, into this huge area where you have a movie night or some sort of theater room probably. This is a big backyard. These trees, they're enormous. They've probably been here forever. This house was built in 1970s era, so it gives you a good idea of some classic architecture. And we're looking right onto a nice green belt. We have a lot of privacy back here. So some final impressions. I really love the trees. It's clear that the owner or the seller has made a lot of effort. The walls, flooring, and the windows all redone. Everything is super clean. I would really love to live in this house, and I know anybody else would too. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, smash the subscribe, and then we'll see you at the next Essence of Austin. This is Jake Alexander with the Carlson Real Estate Group.